All right, y'all. It's been 1 week since I spotted my very first Jubilee watermelon. And guess what? Now I've got three growing on the vine. They're still small, but they're holding strong. And that vine is stretching out like it owns the place. I'm giving it plenty of water, sunshine, and cheering it on every evening as soon as I get off of work. Now let's talk about these cucumbers. Oh my goodness. I think they might be a lost cause. The leaves are wilting, growth is stalled, and they're just not bouncing back like I'd hoped. Meanwhile, the tomato plants are still thriving. They're lush, they're green, and they're growing taller by the day. Now, a little bit about my upcoming project. So, this fern I've had since Mother's Day weekend, and it has been thriving. So today is pouring rain, and my plan was to split this up and just break it up into smaller ferns and see how well it does. So I'll take you all along for that adventure, and fingers crossed, this fern will become many more ferns. Also, I decided to purchase some more seeds today. So I went into Lowe's this morning and let me show you what I got. So, I did pick up some new gloves for yard work and gardening because my gloves that I had were just falling apart. I mean, I have just been doing so much work this season. So, these caught my eye. They have the grip, they're brightly colored, and they were a reasonable price. I think I paid a little more than $5 for those. Now, y'all, my husband's cousin just came in town from Florida, and guess what he bought me? Some mango seeds. Yes, real mango seeds. I've never tried growing mango trees before, but I'm definitely up for the challenge, so we'll see how it goes. And if I can get them started indoors, maybe I'll transfer them to a container. Fingers crossed. Now, I picked up 2 packs of strawberry seeds while I was out. I've always wanted to try growing them from seed instead of plants just to see how well they'll do. It'll take a little patience, but if they take off, we'll be eating homegrown strawberries by next season. So that's today's little garden adventure. I've got new gloves, mango dreams, I guess, and strawberry plans in the future. So let me know in the comments if you've ever grown mangoes from seeds before. I'd love any tips that you have. Let me know if you've ever grown strawberries from seed before. I've watched a couple of videos and I saw a lot of people that had the plants, but not growing from seeds. I think for both the strawberry seeds and the mangoes, I'm going to start them indoors. I'm pretty sure I'm going to start those indoors and go from there. I didn't show y'all also, I did have some soil, and I'm thinking about working on my own soil and composting. I have watched a couple of videos about that as well. So I will bring you along for that journey if that's the direction that I decide to go in. But other than that, I think we're all caught up. So take care, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.